andito tayo sa, sa section OB. Para tapusin lang to guys. Nakita ko kasi, papanood ko na mahirap daw to. Pero, tignan nga na. Tignan lang. Tignan ko kung mahirap. Kasi hindi naman ako ganun kagaling na mag-OB. Tiya, first try off lang, nalaglag agad. He. Dito sana yung kasama ko, no? Na naman, ganito na naman. Laglag pala ako dun. Hindi ko kalain na laglag ako. Grabe. Hindi ko namalayan na ganito pala siya. Akala ko. Ano na to? Ala, ang lapit ko na dun. Hindi naman ako sa ganang kagaling mag-parkour, guys. I'm just trying my best. Andito na tayo. Ouch. Why? Ba't ganun? Guys. Why? Punta pa lang sa ladder ang mahirap. Hindi lang talaga ako magaling mag-OB. Hindi naman ako sa ganun magaling. Promise, mamamatay ako dito. What happened? Ba't ganun? Yung camera ko lumulusot. Simple. Guys, maunaan na ako naman dito. No, sobrang galing na people. Trapper ba to? Trapper? Oh, shit. Look. Mahirap ba talaga to? Ito. Para laglag na ako. Lumulusot yung camera ko. Focus tayo ngayon, guys. Why? Ganun. Guys, kailangan din natin ito matatapos. Kasi sobrang hirap. Guys, try ko lang yung best. Guys, huwag niyo akong tahanan kasi lagi ako nalalaglag. Oops. Guys, I'm lucky. Paano to? Ay, I have a clue. Oops. Huh? Apo? I don't know. I'm just not good at parkour. Oh, I'm lucky din. Oh, I'm looking. Okay. Let's. Ouch. I'm looking, bro. Yay! I'm learning it. Huh? Oh, wait. I know it. I know the tricks. Okay, it is smart. No, what? I don't understand. Hindi ko maintindihan kung paano ba talaga ito. Kung saan kasi papunta ng papunta, walang sense. Why? What the? Guys, dati magaling ako. Push the box. Oh. Start to push. Oh, okay. Oh. Huh? What? Oh, I don't get it. Okay. Okay. Okay, I know this. Oh, oh, dang. Oh, oh, ang late nun ah. Grabe. Ay, ba't natin ba tapos to? What the? Ala? Huh? Huh? What? I just go there and I don't know what I'm gonna. Why I do that? What I did? What did I do? What did I do? What did I do? I don't even know what did I do. It's just hard today. Guys, huwag na lang po panoodin. Huh? Huh? In the tree. I will parkour in the tree. Okay. I know I'm just smart. It's your fault. Ah, this time for me. All this easy. You like that? Wait, just like I have I did do. I don't know what happened here. Oh, oh, guys. This is yun guys. Tapos ano to? Panoodin nyo na lang yung part 2 nito kung hindi ako tamad guys nag-upload. Ito, panoodin nyo to. Make sure to click the subscribe button and like. Ah, hindi nyo dapat makalimutan guys na mag-like and subscribe kayo. Tapos pindutin nyo din yung i-click nyo din yung bell button guys. Bye-bye!